Hi guys, if you're new here, I'm glad you found us. And to my returning family, welcome back. It's always a joy to have you in my kitchen. The weather today is deserving of warm comfort food, so I'm making porridge. I place a pot of water on the stove. As I wait for the water to boil, I add 2 cups of water in a small jug to blend the porridge mix. I'm using this traditional South Sudanese cooking stick to do this. The ingredients for this recipe are sour porridge mix, plain flour, milk, sugar, and cooking oil. Find the quantities in the description box. I'm using Ujimix sour porridge mix. This is a Kenyan brand which I get whenever family members travel for a visit. Though this porridge mix may not be available for you, you can get the same sour taste by adding natural yogurt to your porridge. If you'd like to know how to do this, check out the video linked above. Once the porridge mix is well blended into the water and there are no lumps left, I add this to the pot of boiling water and stir. I add cooking oil, butter or margarine to the mix and keep stirring continuously until the porridge boils. This prevents the porridge from developing lumps. Once it's fully boiled, the porridge cannot lump up. It's been long since I've used Ujimix to make porridge, so when I tasted, I found it too sour. I had forgotten how sour it was, so to reduce the sour taste, I dissolved 2 tablespoons of plain flour in water. I add it to the pot and mix it in. When the porridge boils, I add sugar. I start with 3/4 of a cup of sugar, and if it needs more, I adjust it to my preferred taste. I used approximately 1 cup of sugar, but feel free to adjust the amount of sugar to your liking. I now add the milk and allow time for the milk and sugar to blend in. This does not take long. It will be ready as soon as the porridge boils fully. I'm happy with the taste, so I turn the heat off. I like serving this hot, however, allow it to cool and serve it warm or as preferred. If you like this recipe, give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you try it, and for easy recipes, hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. This is all from me today. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye-bye.